Hi, I'm Todd Finnerty, and this is your Membership Minute for Friday, May 29th. I hope everyone used the Memorial Day weekend to recover from Connect. That was a busy week with close to 1,000 attendees, 70 plus sessions, 40 trade show exhibitors, 27 awards, and too many networking opportunities to count. And t-shirts. Hopefully you got yours. And thanks to everyone who came by and donated to AACF. And things are not slowing down for the week ahead. Our Yang Council has an upcoming professional series webinar, and they're now accepting applications for their Leadership Council. Then right after that is something we know everyone is waiting for. Yes, it's that time of year. The Factbook is coming. The Joint Channel Market Size and Forecast webinar is scheduled for June 11th. Data from the Joint Channel Forecast will be shared with members during the webinar before Factbook's annual release to the public. So members, go and register now for the webinar and then get ready for some light reading and the aftermarket road ahead. Until next time, this is your Membership Minute.